Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to end calls by just closing the phone. So when you close your phone, your call will automatically end. So what you have to do, you have to go into this phone icon, this green color icon, just select it. So once you selected, here you see on top right corner we have these three dots. Okay, just select it. So once you selected, here you see this settings option, just select it. So once you select it, it will open the call settings menu for you. Okay, and here on top you see this flip options. Okay, just select it. So once you selected, here you see the number third option over here. It says close phone to end calls. Okay, so currently it is disabled. So what you have to do, you have to enable it. So now I enable it. Now everything is done. Okay, so I will try to call on this number and then I will close the phone. Okay, so I will call on this number and then I will show you when I close the phone. Okay, so here is the call. I just receive it. Okay, so the call is now continue. Now if I close my phone like this, okay, the call will automatically end. Okay, so you can see it is also showing call ended and it is also showing you the seconds. Okay, so this is how you can use this setting to end your call automatically when you close your phone. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.